Hello and welcome to the last day of our chakra challenge. You've made it. So today we're focusing on the crown chakra sitting at the top of your head, and we're focusing on opening this up for expanding consciousness, expanding awareness, expanding our ability to have free flowing thoughts as a sovereign being. So today's postures will be focused on opening up this area and rebalancing the whole body. So we'll be doing a lot of standing postures, so make sure that you are balanced. I would recommend that you have your shoes and socks off for this class. That way you can really focus on grounding down at the same time. So we're working on connecting to source of creation itself while being grounded in this human sovereign body. By the way, if you're new here, I'm Jenica, and we're doing this whole chakra series, so definitely check it out, follow along. We have one 10-day chakra class for each day of the week. You can do them on repeat as many times as you feel you need until you're feeling quite open in that area. But it's a really good daily practice to do, just 10 minutes every day. And I have a special thing at the end, so definitely make sure you stick around for it. All right, so we're going to start with our feet hip width distance, our hands by our sides, proud, shoulders back, chin is slightly tucked, tailbone is slightly tucked, core is engaged. Tadasana, standing mountain pose. This is a powerful pose when we bring all of these activating elements into it to really ignite the posture. Bring a smile to your face. We're grounding down with our feet while also reaching up towards the sky. Feel the power circulating through your entire body as you inhale and exhale. Now we're going to bring a QiGong practice today by inhaling the arms up overhead, and as you exhale, you're washing the heavens over your body, washing it all the way down. Inhaling up, exhaling, washing the heavens over you. Inhale up, exhale down. So there's always a contrast in this world. Up, down, expand, contract. And it's all to let us experience the duality of being a human being while also balancing, finding the balance within. So we inhale, we expand as we lift up. We exhale, we contract as we lower down. And to bring some visualization to this practice, I invite you to imagine that you have balls of energy in your hands, right? So you have this light ball in each hand. It can be the color bright white, maybe a little blue in it, like the ocean behind us, okay? And as you inhale, you're going to sweep the arms up and bring these two balls to connect together in the center, forming into one big orb. And wash that orb over your body. Wash this light down through your body, cleansing away any negative thoughts. Inhale, gathering heavenly chi. Exhale, washing it over your body. Knees are slightly bent, tailbone is tucked under. Inhale, gathering heavenly chi, connecting the two orbs together and sending these light beams through your body, washing out any impurities. Inhale deeply. Exhale, letting go of any negative thoughts, feelings, letting them go. Inhale, inviting the light, inviting the love, inviting creation into your life. Exhale, letting go of what doesn't serve you. This is a really good practice to do every day. You can come back and practice this with me. Practice cleansing your body, your energy body, your spirit, and experience the benefits. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, back down. Good. Now bring the hands back towards the sides. Breathe here. You may notice some tingling in the fingers, in the palms. And we'll do a similar one, slightly different. So feet are slightly wider than the hips. We're bending in the knees. One hand is at the base of the navel, the groin area. The other hand's going to sweep up. Inhale. Exhale to the midline. Come down. Wash over. Inhale. Exhale to the midline. Down and around. So you're keeping this visualization with this light orb in your hand, pressing it down, swirling it around, inhaling to the side. Exhaling down, swirling around, inhaling. So we're passing the light orb from each side now, creating more balance throughout the body. Two more, one on each side. Inhale. And exhale, last one. Come back to center. Hands are on each side of you. Bend deeply in the knees now. Coming into a low goddess squat. We're dropping down. Tucking the pelvis. Feeling grounded. Inhale, reach the arms up overhead. This is a moment to invite in whatever you want to cultivate in your life. Cultivating your connection with nature, with the unknown, with whatever is up above and down below. Grounding in the feet as we reach up towards the sky, feeling the polarity in the body. Good, now we'll come out of this posture. Shake out the legs if you need to. And we'll come into a balancing posture. So really reach down or root down in your right leg. And you can bring your left heel to your ankle, to the right ankle, to the shin, or to the right thigh. So select your level and find your balance. So we'll start with the hands at the heart. And while you're here, I want you to really engage your standing leg, your glute, your quads, while you open up the left leg. So we're trying to make this parallel line. Because a lot of times what happens is this balancing leg will come in, and we want to see how far out we can bring it so that it's an open channel, okay? So I want you to focus on a point in front of you so that you can fully balance here. Focus on an unmoving point. In Sanskrit, this is called a dristi. And once you feel stable here, I invite you to reach your arms up above, reaching towards the sky once again. Breathe here. 2 more breaths. Keep your vision, your gaze focused You got this. Good. Now we'll release down, shake out the leg, and we'll do the same on the other side. So really root down in the foot, and you can bring your right leg to your left ankle, to the shin, or to the thigh. Select your variation, and then I want you to engage your quad, engage your glutes, and think about opening the balancing leg out so that it's parallel with your hips. Okay? You can bring your hands to your heart. Find your drishti. Find your focus and breathe. Once you feel good here, you have the option to lift the arms up overhead, reaching towards the sky, gathering this heavenly chi that we've gathered. Coming back to your intention of what you'd like to cultivate into your life. It's such a simple practice and it's so profound. One more deep breath here. Full exhale and release. Good work, everybody. Shake it out. That is the last 10-minute chakra class. So there you have it. We've done all 7 chakras, and the good news is now we're going to put it together. Here soon, I'm going to create a chakra flow for all of the chakras combined that you can use on a daily basis. And if you want extra support, you can reach out to me directly. You can request additional videos, or you can watch the previous 10-minute chakra flows that are already out. Thank you so much for joining today's class, and definitely subscribe so that you don't miss the upcoming chakra flow. Namaste.